Alright, as you can see, we got another software update available. We're going to go ahead and push that, install now, and we're just going to tap this to start the update right away. Okay, so that's going to run, and I'll see you guys when it's done, find out what's new. Alright, so the update finished. You can see full self-driving beta stuff. Okay. Same information that it's beta mode. Okay. Running Tesla Vision. Alright, temporary limitations, following distance limited to 2 to 7, autopilot speed to top speed to 85 miles per hour. Alright. Must be used with additional caution, it might do the wrong thing. So this is all the same stuff. It's saying we're on 11.4.2. Is that new? You can read all of that on your own. Basically, they improved a lot of stuff. Okay. It can now tell what's what better. You can pause and read if you need to. I think that's the end of that. Suspension. So if you had it suspended, I think it's just saying it reset it. Oh. It says it'll be unavailable for about a week. So if you don't pay attention and stuff and things like that, then... Okay, here's the stuff about the cabin camera again. There's nothing new here. There's nothing at all new in the release notes. What is that? 2023.7.10. Nothing is new. Software. FSD beta 11.4.2. And yeah, 2023.7.10. So probably full self-driving beta got updated. Maybe as I drive the car, I'll find some stuff that changed. But for now, things look about the same. Let's see if we go to autopilot. Yeah, I think all the stuff is about the same. So did it keep my... Okay, yeah, it kept the 15% plus. Yeah, I think so far from looking at this, everything looks the same. So we'll see when I drive it if anything changes. I thought I was going to get the... thing with the larger font and stuff, but doesn't look like I got any of that. So I think it might just be a full self-driving update. But that's pretty much it for now. I'll probably go on a full self-driving trip in a bit, and you'll see it after this part. Alright, see you guys then. Bye for now. Okay, navigate to target. Okay, which one? This one or this? This are all the same. Okay, so we're going to be testing the full self-driving beta 11.4.2. Oops. Go back. 11.4.2, and we're on software version 2023.7.10. Interesting, we got rid of the extra dots. Alright, we're gonna pause while I put in the pin. Okay, let's go. I still don't trust it in driveways, and it doesn't give me the steering wheel, so we're... Oh, actually, it might. Let's see. Is it going to... Nope, it's not giving me the steering wheel thing yet, so I can't even put it in the full self-driving mode yet. Oh, there we can, but it'll go straight at a wall. So I'll start it here, and I'll set it to like 5 miles an hour and see what happens. Oh, it didn't like it. Is it gonna give it to me? Give me the wheel. There we go. Set it to 5, so it can go over the speed bump slowly. Okay, let's see if it's gonna turn. Don't crash into the wall.
What's at their target?
In 500
we'll see.
feet, turn left onto Binh
Okay,
Street.
let's see. No, why did it change the speed? Go back to 5. I don't want you to go 20 miles an hour over a speed bump. Oh, that's too slow. Yeah, what is it? Unable to complete maneuver. It's like, where are we? Okay, I'll help it go. I'm pushing the pedal to go over the speed bumps. And it knows to turn here. Okay, it's doing that by itself. Where's it going? Why are we going into the driveway here? Where are we going? Hey, it's taking a secret route. Where are we going? Where are we going? It's taking a secret route behind the shopping area.
Are you there yet?
Is this a secret?
Are you there yet?
Okay, it's turning by itself. Is it getting checking to see if any cars are there? Turning left. And where are we going? And don't hit that yellow pole,
Now
please.
turn left onto Binh Street.
Where are we going?
Are you there yet?
See, I don't trust it on these kinds
Are
of
you there yet?
driveway thingies. It's kind of
Are you
scary.
there yet?
But let's see. Okay, let's see what happens. There's a car coming. Oh, it's going. Wow. Wow, look, it did that by itself. Nice.
That's so.
It's driving it by itself. Okay, it adjusted the speed. Good. So in driveways, I still don't trust it enough, so I set the speed to like 5 miles an hour for parking lots and stuff. And that way, if it goes over speed bumps, it's at least at a good speed. And it's doing well. It took a weird exit that I've never taken before, but it worked out. It did it kind of like scarily. Okay, it's moving over. It's gonna attack that lady. Just kidding. Okay. Red light, stopping for traffic light. I'm surprised it did that. I still doubt it can do U-turns, but unless I have a route that it needs to do a U-turn, it's not gonna try, so. Let's see. Alright, light turned green, it's going on its own. Okay, it's doing really well. I mean, honestly, if other drivers were patient and stuff, then, or if the other drivers and the passengers, what is happening, are patient, then technically the car can do everything without any intervention. It's just people might honk at you for not moving when they want you, when you should be, or taking too long. So far it seems it's doing really well. What?
Mommy, time for Frozen.
Frozen? We can't, it's copyrighted.
Uh-oh, I want Frozen right now.
We can't. What is,
Frozen.
Why you can't?
do they have a non-copyrighted Frozen version?
Playing non-copyrighted.
I forgot what the term is for non-copyrighted music.
You are copycat.
Copycat?
You're a copycat.
No, you are copycat. Uncle
No,
Ben.
you're a copycat.
I'm a copycat.
Uncle
No,
Ben.
you are copycat.
What am I
No,
copying?
you're a
No, you
What
are
am I
copycat.
copying?
Car.
Car? See, it saw that car, so it's kind of slowing down. And it sees the bicyclist, so it's slowing down. What? So it's doing really well.
My kuyani.
Where? Where? These?
Yeah. Cat.
Cat?
Sing cat.
Those aren't cats.
Boy.
What? Those aren't cats. So
Boopy cat.
it's doing
In
so far
500
really well.
feet, turn left onto Los Padres Boulevard.
So far it didn't do anything that made the kids go, ah!
Uncle Ben.
Poopy song.
Poopy some, please.
Now turn left onto Los
Not till we
Padres
stop,
Boulevard.
okay? Or after when we go back. So it's signaling for the turn. Waiting for turn. Stopping for stop sign. Okay, our turn. It's going on its own. Nice. it's doing really well on its own. I didn't have to do anything.
And where
Huh?
are you gonna sleep at?
Where are you gonna sleep at? Your house.
I thought it was your house.
Look at those orange lanterns.
I want to go to your house.
I mean, I guess you can.
In 500
Okay, I want to
feet,
go to
turn
your house. I want
right
to go
onto
to your
Anna
house.
Want to
Drive.
go to my house?
Because your house is so cool.
My house is cool.
Me too. I have to go too.
I love your house because it
Now
has
turn
more
right onto Anna
rooms.
Drive.
More rooms?
Yeah. I want more.
But you don't even sleep in the rooms.
I have no room.
You don't use any of the rooms. Well, I guess sometimes you do. But usually not. You mean it has more beds?
Yes.
Yes.
Have more.
In 500 feet, turn
Wow, it's
right.
doing really well.
Bing, 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 bing.
There
bing,
is
bing.
4 beds, and how many
Bing,
beds
bing,
do you
bing,
have?
bing.
Sometimes, like just now, it did a weird jerk.
How
I
many,
feel it's too close to the right here, but okay,
how
it's
many
fixing
beds do
itself.
you have?
Bing, bing, bang, bang,
It's our
bang.
turn.
Boom,
Go
boom,
straight.
Bing, 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 bang, bang,
Too
bang,
much.
bang.
I felt it was going too far out. It likes to do that. It does like far, wide turns. I don't like that. Because we were so close to our stop, it didn't give me the option to tell it why I pulled it out. But yeah, I mean, I felt it was gonna have a problem with that extended out sidewalk. Okay, and that's pretty much it. It did really well except for entering onto the driveway. I felt it was going into the other lane's traffic, which was not good.
Now your destination
So that's
is
it.
on the
See you
right.
guys later. Bye.